Hi, welcome to Sassy Seema, your go-to channel for astrological insights. Today, I received an email from our new subscriber. It stated that I am 28 years old and feel like everything fell apart at once. I lost my money, career, business, friends, and love life. I was betrayed by my employees, my partner, and suffered losses. Loans are chasing me, and I am depressed. Since 2023, it feels like my luck is completely blocked. My main concern is whether 2025 will bring more challenges or relief. Will things get worse, or is there hope for improvement? I'm really struggling and seeking guidance on how to regain control of my life. Thank you for considering my chart. Your response means a lot. I analyzed his D1, D9, and D10 charts. Here is what I found. The D1 chart, also known as the birth chart or Lagnat chart, represents overall life, personality, and major events. It is the foundation for all other divisional charts. The D9 chart defines details about relationships, partnerships, and inner potential. It is especially important in understanding marriage and spiritual growth. The D10 chart focuses on career, reputation, and professional achievements. It provides insights into success, struggles, and significant career shifts. In the D1 chart, Mars is strong in the 10th house, but the effect of Saturn dashes creating setbacks, failures, and business struggles. The person is going through the Sati period and things will improve from mid-2026. Rahu in the 11th house brings unexpected financial ups and downs. This suggests betrayal from business partners, employees, or social circles. Venus in the 12th house of losses and hidden affairs suggests that his partner may have had a secret relationship or been emotionally detached. Ketu in the 5th house brings heartbreaks, disappointments, and loss of trust. This suggests that the person is stuck in past memories and is unable to move on. Moon is in the 4th house, and due to the effect of Saturn, this person is mentally exhausted and desperately seeking emotional stability. From mid-June, after Jupiter's transit, things will gradually improve. In the D9 chart, the 7th house of marriage and partnerships is ruled by Venus. Venus is in the 12th house of Libra with Ketu, Jupiter, and Mercury. This is a clear signature of betrayal by a partner. The partner might have had secret affairs or acted deceptively due to Ketu's influence on Venus. Mars and Saturn retrograde are in the 11th house of social circle and gains. His partner might have had an affair with someone within the close circle, such as a friend, colleague, or business associate. The person might have been financially exploited as well. Rahu is in the 6th house of enemies, betrayal, and legal issues, meaning the person's partner might have been deceptive and created financial or legal troubles. In the D10 chart, a Sagittarius ascendant in D10 suggests an ambitious individual with a natural inclination for career growth and expansion. Saturn retrograde and Mars in Capricorn indicate a strong drive to build wealth and authority, but Saturn being retrograde suggests setbacks, delays, and betrayals related to finances and professional dealings. Mars in Capricorn is exalted, meaning he has the strength to rebuild his career. The 7th house is the house of business partnerships. With Moon here, emotions heavily influence career relationships. There is a tendency to trust others too easily, leading to betrayals from business partners, as seen in his situation. Jupiter in the 8th house shows career-related unpredictability. It can bring sudden gains but also sudden downfalls. The conclusion for his horoscope is that recovery is possible after Ketu Antedasha ends in June 2026, especially since Venus will influence career growth and wealth after that. Venus in the 11th house shows a comeback is possible if he focuses on rebuilding professional alliances and avoids blind trust in others. As his spiritual inclination increases, such as visiting holy places and practicing meditation, he will gradually recover from losses. Remedies include offering water to the sun every morning, feeding wheat flour to black ants every day, and praying to Lord Saturn daily. I will soon upload a video of the Temple of Saturn in India. He can watch the video daily and pray to Saturn, which will reduce his suffering considerably. Wearing an emerald and silver on the little finger, if possible, is also recommended. Wearing white, yellow, or pink and avoiding gray, black, or blue shirts for the next year will be beneficial. This was all for today. If you also want me to analyze your horoscope, just send me an email. The details are given in this video on my channel. Until then, stay sassy and stay cosmic. Bye.